Yay! Let's get into this today. Good morning, good morning. September 25th. Out here in beautiful sandy motherfucking Ego. You feel me? Um, Lightweight vacation time, lightweight slash wedding. You feel me? Got a little wedding to go to. But let's get into today. CBAT. CBAT. Place 3 trades on it. Try to capture the momentum. First trade I made 4.64%. As we can see here, market cap 84.48 million, float 22.6 million. So Wednesday. Everybody knows, they probably seen SPI. For those who are traders, for those who are not traders, SPI went from $1 to $47 in one fucking day. You feel me? Type of shit I've been waiting for. Waiting for it to bring back sector momentum. And sure enough, yesterday was Thursday. Yesterday, everything electric car related, because that stock SPI had to do with electric cars. That was a 1,200% runner in a single fucking day. I happened to be on the road in the car to San Diego, so didn't get an opportunity to try to place a trade on that. But Thursday, Thursday, dude. So Thursday I didn't get to record a video neither, because we had a hell of shit to do for this wedding that we going through. But I did get to trade, but this shit was so fucking retarded, bro. You feel me? I played, as you can see right here, Nete, which was yesterday, 924. I wound up taking a 3.45% loss on it. Again, that was a sympathy play for the electric car momentum sector. And then I seen a beautiful fucking runner. And right when I went to execute for that one, I got rejected. My brokerage company somehow red flagged me as a pattern day trader. And if you're under the PDT rule, you're allowed only 3 day trades every 5-day rolling period, unless you have 25 grand or more in your account. I am under 25 grand. So, some reason, it's crazy, because they said on the 18th was the day I placed over 3 trades in a 5-day rolling period. So it should have flagged me on the 18th. SAVA was the one they said they flagged me on. And so if they flagged me here, I don't understand how it fucking let me execute NETE on the 24th. So anyway, I took a small 3% loss, and then I went to execute my next trade, which was beautiful. I was easily gonna capture 20 to 30%. It was such a beautiful fucking trend. But as soon as I hit the button to buy, it rejected me. It had zero pullback and just ran in 4 minutes. Ran 30% move in 4 minutes, which was I was set up ready for that, ready to capture that shit. Winded up getting rejected. Called the brokerage company. Couldn't get to them till it was too late. So then they had to lift the red flag off me. So I'm able to day trade in that account again. But today is CBAT. So let's get into it. I placed 3 trades, 1 green, 2 reds. Winded up with a 3.14% profit on the day. So the first trade I made, let's get into it. So the first trade I made, a morning spike reversal, as you see, pre-market. You know, this is after hours and pre-market. So yesterday it closed in the 130 area, and pre-market it ran up to the 4s. So that's about a 300% move. You feel me? 300% move from 130 to 416. And then the market opened and it tanked. But again, you know, you gotta get your own perspective of your own personal schedule. I'm here in San Diego for a fucking wedding. I had a court date, a Zoom meeting, this morning at 8:30. I got into the market, watched a few things popping off, but just nothing looked like any type of clean trend. So I just shut my lab and waited till after my Zoom meeting. So as you can see, at 9:18 was the first time I placed a trade. So I seen this drop, and then here you see this nice steady climb from the drop. So that's a beautiful morning spike reversal. as you see it drop, and then it starts steady climbing. It looks a lot better right here in this area. So when it broke this top right here where I put the red line in, I said, ooh, okay, that's a good signal. So yeah, I had purchased 300 shares, still under my full position size, but 300 shares was pretty close at 258. That's about 75% of my position size. I purchased 300 shares at 258.99 at the break and captured a beautiful movement to 274.48. So about a 16 cent profit, which gave me just a little under a 5% gain. And as you know, and then the next two trades basically were the same thing. I seen it dip, and I wanted to buy the break over here. So I bought this break, and then I wanted to buy the break here. So when it broke, I bought the dip down here in the 260s. The first one was 266, 266.72. I cut it at 264.5. And that was actually a good one, but the second one, I repurchased it at 269.9 because right here in the level 2 and the time and sales over here, I was seeing a lot of green prints going off, and I was seeing this steady holding. Sellers were trying to come and attack the bid, and you could just see it. It was holding. It was just holding. It would dip down a couple ticks, and then boom, pop right up instantly, and then it started upticking. So I got in at 260.99, and then when it dipped a little bit, to be honest, I just cut it. I didn't even want to deal with it no more. I said, you know what? I'd rather walk away on my vacay with a green day, which is what I did. But it did actually have the potential to make me another 3%. So realistically, on that last trade, I could have made 3% on that, which would have, you know, put me at about 7% profit on the day. But you feel me? No big deal. 3 trades, 2 reds, 1 green, and still profitable. That's always a beautiful day. If you could execute and have 2 reds and 1 green, beautiful fucking day. You feel me? So you feel me? I'm big chilling outside. I just wanted to make a quick review and a quick video of today. This market may be heating up for me again, but after that huge run on Wednesday, Thursday had some nice runners, but then midday they would fade. And then today we were seeing nice runners pre-market and then back to that whole fade area. So I'm still not confident in trading a full position. Even on Wednesday, if I was able to participate in the market and wasn't on the road to San Diego, you feel me, I would have still probably not gone full position. I would have still done a partial position. But actually, the buy signal I was trying to buy on during that period was around $9.30. So I'd have still bought 100 shares, which is almost my full position. And then that bitch ran up beautifully to the 15, 16s cleanly before it pulled back. So yeah, man, so 3.149% profit today. Cbat, again, sympathy play, energy company, similar to see what it says right here. Energy technology shares are trading higher on the volatility in the overall electric vehicle space this week following Tesla's Battery Day event in California. So again, you feel me? It's a sympathy play due to that huge runner on Wednesday. What I've been talking about in my videos, waiting for some type of momentum, some type of play to trigger the market to get me back into my -6 plus 13 zone. That on Wednesday was beautiful for that. Thursday was actually beautiful for that, and then now today it's fading off a bit. We'll see if the momentum goes into next week. We'll know on Monday when I come to the market. But yeah, man, so Cbat market cap was yeah, 84.48 million. Float very close, 22.6. So as you can see right here, I took the first trade, I made 4.64%, which was beautiful. And then the last 2 trades, I cut it less than 1%, just because when you're dealing with such volatility and the fluctuation, it could easily drop. So, you know, when it's moving really fast and you're seeing a lot of bid and ask going, when you're seeing this move fast, and this move fast, then it could either go either way. And as you can see right here, it did have a dip in that process down to the 240s. So, I mean, you know, I was in the 260s. So a 20-cent drop, that would have been a negative 6% loss. So, you know, I took a little less than 1% on those two. But it's always, like I said, it's always beautiful when you have 3 trades and you're still, that's a 33% win rate in one day, okay? I won 1 out of 3. That's a 33% win rate, and I'm still profitable. That's beautiful, man. And as you can see, ever since I readjusted to the market on 9/10, as you see, red, green, green, red, green, 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 red, red, green, red, green, red, red, green, red, green, red, red. And if you add all that up, it equals profit, green. You feel me? So it's all about readjusting to this shit. I can't wait for this market to fucking pick up in my favor where I could capture them big movements. But shit, a 4.6% gain when the market's only giving me a 2.6 to 3% gain is beautiful right now. So yeah, man, time to, you feel me, turn up a little bit. I'm officially gonna start my vacay now. You feel me? Gotta go pour up something bright and early in the morning. Got a wedding to go to at 3. So, you know what I mean? I'm gonna be suited and booted, looking clean as fuck. So yeah, CBAT, green day for today. You feel me? I thought it could come back a little bit when it started gearing up right here, and then I seen the momentum turn. So, and then you also got to realize, so these lines right here, this purple line is a VWAP level, evaluated average price over the last couple days. So typically for day traders, if it's above this purple, it's in the buyer's favor, and if it's below this purple, it's in the seller's favor. So when it started testing this, which is where I got out, because I knew that, so I knew this would be a resistance level. If the sellers are still in control, it wouldn't go through, but I was really hoping it would break the top right here in the 280s, because if it did, then that would have been another signal to buy in my other account, and I was ready, but it just didn't happen. So I winded up not making a trade in the other account at all, because I was really hoping to break that and then run up to this this next resistance level in the 330s, which would have been giving me a nice 50-cent profit range, you know, and at, you know, so I could have easily, if it had the momentum, could have made me a potential 15% profit. But overall, plus 3% on the day. Things look like they starting to heat up a little bit. Love to see that shit. So you feel me? I don't know what day of this journey it is. Didn't get to capture a video yesterday because I was all over the place helping out for this wedding, and then vacated a little bit, took my daughter to the beach, got in the fucking ocean for the first fucking time, which was dope. So yeah, man, just didn't have the time to record the video yesterday. So today, even today, I didn't think I'd record a video, but I said, you know what, I got a few minutes right now, free time. I'm gonna come record this fucking video really fast and just be done with it so I can post it. You feel me? So overall, in the last 2 days of me being on vacation, is basically break even. I had a minus 3% yesterday, plus 3% today. So basically break even on this whole vacation. Missed out on opportunity due to rejection yesterday. Otherwise, this vacation I would have been at somewhere around a 20% profit on this vacation. But hey, shit happens, and you got to understand that that's the name of the game. And you're always going to run into obstacles. It's how you prevail over those obstacles. So you feel me? September 25th, plus 3.14% today. All right. So you feel me? Loving this. It's starting to heat up, guys, and everything is going right in my favor. As long as I maintain this trend of trading, this is obviously working for me. So you feel me? Can't wait for this market to heat up where I can start capturing. Because you got to understand, this 4.64% move was really fast. You feel me? That was like a 2 or 3 minute move. And I'm up, you know, actually, let me see. I think less than that. I think it was 1 minute. Let's see. It was a 6 minute move. 7 minute move. So in 7 minutes, you feel me, made a little under 5%. And then the other two were just 1 minute, in and out, 1 minute. 1 minute. I bought this at 9.25, sold at 9.26 for less than 1% loss. Then bought it at 9.27, sold it at 9.28, which, like I said, the second one was more of a mistake, because if I'd have just held on to it. Like I said, it didn't even dip below 1%, but you know, I was just, you know what, I'm on vacation, man. I'm gonna cut it and just be okay with the plus 3% on the day. So you feel me? Plus 3% on the day. You feel me? San Diego. You feel me? San Diego trader today. You feel me? So yeah, man, that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna cut this video short. Everything seems to be moving in the right direction. You feel me? You feel me? All right, man. Till next time.